Well, with so much happening in Washington each and every day, we are working to get you connected to our local congressman. Today, we had a chance to speak with San Antonio Representative Joaquin Castro. He talked about the budget bill recently passed by the House. The congressman saying the budget would likely be bad for Texans who rely on Medicaid for their health coverage. He said millions across the state could be impacted, including thousands right here in San Antonio.
In San Antonio, that number would be hundreds of thousands of people. In the Rio Grande Valley, also hundreds of thousands of people. And so Medicaid is a lifeline for so many Texas children, families, the disabled, and even some seniors.
Congressman Castro says Texas already has one of the highest rates of uninsured people. He says the budget, as it's laid out by the House, would make it harder for people to get and afford health insurance.
Castro also talked about how the DOGE cuts and how they're impacting the VA. He says the cuts are likely to be a big hit for San Antonio. That's because of our huge military presence here and the fact that so many people work for the federal government here. So we're going to take a big hit. Castro called the cuts made by DOGE and Elon Musk reckless and chaotic. President Donald Trump has insisted Medicaid won't be touched, but says there needs to be ways to root out waste. While some Republicans agree with that stance, one Democratic lawmaker says the president's claims are not true.
We should make sure that we are spending that money wisely. But Medicaid, this program that they are attacking with nearly $1 trillion in cuts, is one of the most efficient and effective healthcare insurance delivery programs, right? The fraud isn't there.
I would never be in favor of cutting benefits to those that need it. And there are those in our country that need it, certainly in our district. It doesn't call for that right now. All we've done was unlocked the potential to look into waste, fraud, and abuse.
If there are no major cuts to federal programs, it may be difficult for Republicans to claim the savings they need to offset tax break costs.